So what is drip, huh? You're probably too ashamed to ask because you think you look stupid. Don't worry. I've been there. There have been so many times where I just assumed what a term meant based on context clues and have just been completely wrong for way too long. For example, in middle school, SMH, dude, for the longest time I thought that meant suck my head. And you can only imagine how stupid I look to find out that's not what it means. It's just so embarrassing finding out way too late, but luckily for you guys, I'm empathetic. So whether you're out of the loop, you're curious, or you're just a freaking boomer, today we're gonna find out what is drip. But before we get started, I'm partnering with the sponsor of this video, Discord. Y'all know Discord, it's the best online community chat room for anything you can have for just your friends or other communities. Like I have personal ones for different groups of friends. I also have community ones like the Kenny Beats Discord for music production and stuff like that. And also the Secured Cook group for whenever I want to keep up with hype drops. So you pretty much use it for anything. But what's really special is I'll be hosting a stage event on the Born Again Christian server. It is back. The New Testament is here. The back of the bus of the internet has returned. And I'll be hosting a stage event, which is Discord's version of an online audio stream. It's kind of like a sermon, but you can go ahead and ask me questions, maybe even hop in at some points. I'll mainly be talking about fashion and how it affects your life in different ways, like confidence, as a hobby, and most importantly, your love life. So we're going to be talking about love life too. So you just tell me about your drip troubles and your love troubles, and we'll get that settled in the stage event. So go join the Discord now. It's live now, but the stage event's going to be on July 16th at 8 p.m. EST. That's July 16th at 8 p.m. EST. So put that in your calendars, but go join the Discord now. We're live. The New Testament has arrived. Get on the back of the bus. We're going crazy. Everything's in the description. Go join now. So, if you have too much dignity to go on the Urban Dictionary and look up the definition of drip, that's fine. I get it. But I don't, so I'm going to go ahead. Drip, as defined by Splashton Kutcher, goes, adjective to describe your outfit similar to swag, sauce, steez, and swank. So, what the hell is swank? Well, there you go. It's an arbitrary metric used to describe how good or wet your outfit is. So when you have drip, that means your outfit's wet as hell because water is wet. Or is it? Hey, Vsauce, Michael here. But also, you're not wet if you're fully underwater, because you're only wet when you surface, because it depends on the medium, but y'all are not ready for that conversation. So does that mean drip is swag? Because swag is also a way to describe an outfit. Yes, but also no. You could have drip but no swag, but you could also have swag but no drip. The two are not mutually exclusive because they can exist without each other. Someone can have absolute swagger but no drip. Take into example, Lil Dicky. We can all agree, David Andrew Bird has undeniable swag. Charming, charismatic, confident out of the ass. But does he have drip? I don't think so. Now we have conservative television personality Greg Kelly taking a picture with the thick Donald over here wearing some Balmains. Does he have drip? Maybe. Okay, for the pants, kind of wet down there. I'm not gonna lie, you gotta give it to him. But does he have swagger? I don't think so. You might look stupid if you have a lot of one but none of the other, but they don't necessarily need each other to exist, like I was saying for these two guys. Also, drip is mainly used for clothes, but you can also see it used for jewelry as well, in the form of icy. These two are also not mutually exclusive. They mean similar things, but they're different. Ice only refers to the ice-like features that a clean-cut gem can present. But that should be clear enough. But you know what's not clear? Why the hell drip is used for clothes. So let's get into this visually. So what defines drip in fashion, huh? Very controversial statement over here. Well, usually the latest trendy, hype, eye-catching releases are automatically labeled as drip because they're all coveted by thy neighbor. But also the craziest pieces from both new season archival fashion can also be labeled as drip due to the visual respect they bring from someone seeing you wearing them. So you see a spectrum here, right? From the latest dunks to some old stinky CCP shoes. Literal drip shoes. It's a subjective matter, so it really just depends on what you think is cool. Now, how do you get drip? I got this dialed in. Here's my world record speed run, and there you have it. The world's fastest drip speed run. I don't think anyone's found drip faster than that. If you have, you're wrong. No, but it's not hard to buy drip anymore because you can find out what it is through the massive amount of media through TikTok and Instagram Reels. Fashion on social media is so easy now. Go look at, if you want to know about the cutting edge drip, just go find out what Wisdom's doing, dude. That guy is crazy. That guy is the Niagara Falls of drip. It's not even a competition. And behind me, you can see Garrett McNamara surfing Wisdom's Closet in Portugal, November 2011. You can literally go on TikTok and buy someone's outfit and put your own spin on it for yourself. So to me, drip's not as valuable as people make it out to be. Your wallet kind of just dictates your irrigation, and I don't think that's fair. You can purchase drip, but money can't buy the best things in life. So what's more valuable than drip, huh? Sauce. So the age-old competition between drip and sauce, huh? What is the difference? Well, like I said, drip can be bought, but sauce? Ooh, no. Sauce is earned. Sauce is not for you to say that you have. Sauce is respect. We're gonna take it back to scripture from the ancient prophet, aka Gordon from Best Buy.
Juice is temporary.
Okay, so juice, drip, same thing. This is ancient scripture. It's old English. It's like saying fortnight instead of saying 14 days, okay?
You know, anyone can obtain the juice or something. I mean, you could say that just because you got a nice car, someone like, oh man, you got the juice, you know? It's something that kind of comes and goes. Sauce is forever.
Sauce is forever. Juice comes and goes.
Sauce is forever. You buy you a Simply Lemonade. How long is that gonna last in your fridge? A couple days maybe? That's a juice. How long does barbecue sauce last in your fridge?
True. I got some barbecue sauce in my fridge that's older than my insecurities, baby.
That's the sauce, man. It sticks around. Sticks hard to move.
Classic, dog. Contemporary hype can die down, dog. You can buy that, but after the hype dies, where does it go, you know? It's like that lemonade in your fridge. Oh my God, come on. No sauce. It's like the lemonade in your fridge, you know? It's like that Travis Scott pair of sweats is gonna just stay for sleeping after all the hype dies down for Astroworld. But sauce is something you earn through time and respect. I'm sweating, man. Drip. Okay, like Rick Owens is probably the best example I'm gonna have for something that you can't be saucy with if it's obvious that you're hopping in it for the hype. Like Lil Baby over here. I don't know, man. I don't care how close I'm standing. I don't think I'm gonna fuck around and drown from anything. Sorry, buddy. Sorry. If anything, sauce kind of comes from the lack of reliance of what's hype. You can't say you have sauce the same way you can't say you're humble. It's counterintuitive. I feel like that's the best example, but I'm gonna leave it to Gucci Mane himself. Here we go. If Gordon was the prophet, this guy's the Messiah.
Is it hard to be fresh if you don't have money or can you still pull it off?
When I had no money, I still had sauce. So you don't got no sauce, then you get lost. But you also get lost in the sauce.
I think translating some old English into modern interpretation, what he's saying is, you need the sauce in life. It's what makes life great. But also, you can't try too hard, because you'll get lost trying to find it. I don't think it comes in a way of what clothes you're wearing, but rather the way you carry yourself in those clothes. Sauce just kind of comes. People give that to you. You can't give it to yourself. It comes in time. You have to be patient. You also can't be born with it.
When you're born, can you be born with sauce or do you get sauce?
How you gonna be born with season?
You can't be born seasoned, boys. There's a reason you gotta marinate good food in the fridge for a minute before it becomes great. So that's all I'm saying. That's all you need to know. You can buy drip, but you can't buy sauce. Drip is temporary, but sauce? Sauce is forever. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this educated the masses on the difference between sauce and drip, and also just what drip is. Drip is me sweating. There's a heat wave in New York. This shirt by Georgia IC25. I'll leave it in the description. It's called the Mesa Chore Jacket. I've worn this every single day for like the past 3 months. I swear to God, it's been my favorite thing. And even though it's hot, it's very breathable. And this isn't sponsored. I just want to show off this amazing shirt that I've worn every day. And I don't know, I just find it to look good with everything. Maybe that's the sauce. I don't know. But if you want to learn more about anything, go join the Born Again Christian server. The link is in the description. It's live now. We're going crazy. Grab a seat on the back of the bus, people, and mark your calendars for my stage event, July 16th, 8 p.m. EST. You're going to learn a lot. Maybe you won't. I don't know. July 16th, 8 p.m. EST. Go mark your calendars and sign up for Discord and join that now. Follow me on Instagram at ChristianVY for more sweaty me. And follow me on Twitter at JK_Weiling for some stupid tweets. And go watch my podcast. Me and Sydney are both sweaty. It's at Podcast on Everything. It's the best podcast on the internet. It's crazy and it's hot. Thank you for tuning in. I am dripping in sweat. Thank you.